Unprotected sex can lead to major issues in any relationship, and condoms are one of the most reliable options when it comes to preventing such stress. Easy to use and absolute safe to wear, condoms are guaranteed better protection to prevent unwanted pregnancies from occurring in a sexual relationship. Over the years, there have been several campaigns propagating the usage of condoms and encouraging the youth to bring them into usage. These efforts have been successful to quite an extent in terms of people opening up to the idea of buying condoms or talking about them. For those of you who are yet to be convinced, here are a few reasons that prove condoms to be a superior contraceptive method. 1. Protection against sexually transmitted diseases. Having unprotected sex need not only result in pregnancies. Yes. There are chances of developing sexually transmitted diseases that tend to harm the body. In fact, one of the main reasons for the spread of AIDS or HIV, one of the most dreaded diseases, is more couples having unsafe sex with multiple partners. Using condoms curbs the spread of this disease, securing the individual as well as his future partner. 2. It's easy to carry around. A condom is a highly compact option. You can always carry one in your pocket without people noticing it. Also, buying one is extremely easy. You can get it at the neighborhood chemist store. 3. Have more fun. Believe it or not, using a condom helps boost pleasure. There have been many researches that prove this fact. Additionally, using a condom means you don't have to worry about any unwanted results from the relationship. This automatically increases the fun quotient. 4. Next to foolproof. There are no pills or medicine guaranteeing complete safety from impregnating your partner. Unless you practice abstinence, there is always a risk. However, condoms are the next best thing to a foolproof method when it comes to negating this risk, and therefore you should use them. 5. A pocket-friendly option. Condoms are not expensive. Without actually spending too much money, you get yourself the promise of safety against unwanted pregnancies as well as some of the most dreaded sexually transmitted diseases. What's more is that the control and contraception happen without having to go to a doctor, saving you the embarrassment of giving any explanations. Given these advantages, condoms are indeed one of the most superior contraceptive methods of present times.